My husband had a ton of fun with this new toy.
Today we're going to be looking at this AMPFORCE wood router tool. In this video, I'm going to show you what comes in the box. My husband is going to demo it for you, and we're going to give you our honest opinion. The seller did send this to us in exchange for a video. However, all of the views and opinions in this video are our own.
In the box, you are going to have the actual router. You're going to have the deflector guard that allows you to vacuum the wood shavings into a shop vac. This is in two pieces. The clear part goes on the actual router, and then the black piece goes in the hole and attaches to your vacuum. Then you have a series of bits that come with the router. Each one of them comes in its own individual plastic case, which is really, really nice. There are some other components that you will need to put this together, as well as accessories. This accessory is a trimmer guide. This allows you to trim off precise amounts of material from your workpiece. Then you're going to have the wrenches and a parallel guide. The parallel guide helps you maintain a straight path. You're also going to have the battery charger and 2 batteries, as well as the instructions. The batteries do have a charge indicator light. You hold it down and it shows you how many bars you have. The battery attaches to the top of the router, and then there are 2 buttons on the side of the router. There's a lock and unlock button and a power button. When you push the lock and unlock button, a light will turn on indicating that it is either unlocked or locked. When the light is on, it is unlocked and you can turn the power on. When the light is off, it is locked and you cannot turn the power on. The guard is very easy to attach. You just have to remove this wing nut here. The bits are also very easy to attach. You take this part off, then remove this nut, insert the bit that you wish to use, reinstall the nut that you just removed, and tighten it down using the wrenches they provide. Then simply slide the bottom piece back on and go ahead and attach your guard. You'll need to replace the wing nut that we removed at the beginning. To attach the vacuum, you're going to insert this black piece into the guard. And to attach either of the guides, you're going to remove this piece here and attach the guide to this area. My husband is very artistic. He loves to draw, and this allows him to draw on wood. It's a totally separate medium. When I tell you he was very excited about this, it was hilarious. He was extremely excited about the ability to draw on wood. While the vacuum isn't really necessary, it is very helpful because if you don't use the vacuum, you wind up with a lot of sawdust on your workspace. You can see that he didn't turn the vacuum on for the bottom part of the eye, and there is a lot of sawdust. When the vacuum is on, you can see that it's just sucking all of that sawdust into the shop vac. If you're looking for a cordless, easy-to-use router, we would highly recommend this one.